Let's start by taking a look at the Protoforms app. We're going to do an inspection form just to show you how Protoforms works. So, first thing I'm going to do is choose the inspection site. You notice that there's information pre-populated in the form. That helps your employees work more quickly. So I'll choose the Parker franchise. Notice that based on my selection, it pre-populated the address. Now I'm going to choose the type of selection. So I'm going to do a store walkthrough. You'll notice also the timestamp was automatically added to the form. And now I'm going to choose the location. So it'll automatically GPS stamp the form. Let's choose next. So based on the information on the previous page, it also pre-populated the customer name, the site ID, as well as the full address. Again, saving lots of time and improving accuracy for the information collected in the field. I'll click on the next button. Now I have three different things I'm going to inspect here. So let's see, I've got a pass on number 1, I've got a pass on number 2, and here I've got a fail, I've got a technical issue. So now I'm going to want to highlight that issue. I'm going to take a photo. So as you can see, you can add dynamic content to a form. In this case, I have an electronic issue I want to document. There. Now I can also highlight by drawing on the screen itself to say where the issue is. So, and then I click Done, and it adds that image directly to the form. And if I want to add a comment, I can say, in this case, the LED needs to be replaced. Then I click on Next. Automatically did my totaling of my inspection scores. And then I choose the inspector name, so you can have your employees' information automatically pre-populated so they can quickly select, and then capture a signature. And then I can add an extra email if I wish, or I just click on Send. And as you can see, it's reconciling and the form is submitted. Right back to the portal. So now we're going to take a quick look at the Protoforms Portal. The portal's been designed to be very easy to interact with, and really the portal is where you build your forms as well as assign all the preferences for employees that are working out in the field, which employees get which forms, as well as where does the data go once it's collected. So in this case, we've created different groups of users. So you can create folders or form spaces, and in those form spaces you can actually put different types of forms, and you can assign users. So this is a great way to organize which users get what forms. If you want to edit a form, you just simply click on the form itself, and you can actually open up the form builder, and you can quickly look at the different pages, and you can actually edit information directly in the form. Now, data records is where all the information goes that's collected in the field. So you can, schedule to have this information exported. You can actually chart the data. You can export it as CSV files. And of course, we do have an API. So if you need to move this data, let's say into an XML format to your FTP server, of course, that can all be automated. So I'm going to just open a data record that we just submitted in the demonstration of the app. So you can see all the information here from that data record. And you can actually download that and see what it looks like as a PDF. So if you need to have your information in a portable format that's easy to print or email, that's easy to do as well. And of course, it can be customized with your logo. So back to the portal, you can also manage users and groups. So you can have all your users here. You can identify which device is being used out in the field, and or you can set different permissions and or preference settings for users. We also have a forms library. Forms library allows you to scroll through different forms that we've created to help you get started. All of these forms can easily be imported into your account, and they can be edited. And if you need to filter through, and let's say you're looking for human resources forms, you could quickly say, oh, I want to take an expense form, and you can import that directly into your account. So that's a quick look at Protoforms. If you have any questions, we'd like you to reach out to our salespeople, or if you're having any technical questions, of course, we have our support site. You can just click on support, and or contact the support team. Thank you.